Hey guys, I'm going to be doing Hey Soul Sister by Trenton. Hey, 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 your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brain. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. You sweet movie, the smell of you and I was seeing a dream I dream. I knew that you collided, you're the one I had decided, he's one of my kind. Hey, soul sister, and that Mr. on the stereo, where you move right there, you know. Hey, soul sister, and the one who makes a single thing we do. Tonight, hey, hey, hey. Just in time. I'm so glad you have a one-track mind like me. You give me the direction, again show my connection, and every night. I'm so obsessed. My heart is meant to be red like Valentine's chest. You like a virgin, I'm gonna, and I'm always gonna blow your mind. Hey, soul sister, hey, that Mr. on the radio, stereo, the way you really say no. Hey, soul sister, and you want me to listen, baby girl. Tonight, watching you the only drug I need. Only one dreaming of you. I can look back upon me, and that there's nothing I can't see. I would love to be with me. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio, stereo, the way you move like that, you know. Soul sister, I don't wanna miss you, see what they do now. Soul sister, I don't wanna miss you, see what they do tonight. Hey, 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 tonight. Hey, hey.